Becca is a YouTuber based in Ibadan, Nigeria, and guys, thank you so much for clicking this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know the deal that I love you guys. So guys, this video basically is going to be my hair routine, and also I'll be doing some chit chat, guys. I'm just about to wash my hair. Can you believe the hair I used was not even up to 2 weeks? It's a knotless braid, and I think knotless should last for like 4 weeks or 3 weeks maximum. But here it goes. I have to just lose it and wash this. This is the current stage of my hair, and now I have to like comb it. So you know what, guys, I want to wash my hair, and seriously I don't have a hair dryer at all, so I'm going to use the other way to dry my hair. So if you want to know how you can dry your hair when you don't have a hair dryer, stay tuned. So guys, I started this year 2020, and so I started this year like 2 years ago, and this is very is it possible for you to comb your hair and you don't have this hair loss? I don't know, I'm always having like a little. So guys, this hair currently is very dirty, like really dirty. So I have to like wash it now. So let me show you what I'll be using for my shampoo, my conditioner. So for my shampoo, I'll be using this Argan oil from Morocco. So this will be my shampoo for today, and my conditioner as well. I'll be using this for my conditioner, the same product with shampoo first. So for the shampoo, so guys, I'm done washing my hair, and I just made this on it. So I'm going to use this towel, to like make it dry like this. So this is how I dry my hair if I don't have hair dryer. I'll just use it to absorb the water. So the next thing I'll add to my hair is this Dark and Lovely Correct Leave-In Conditioner, and also this oil moisturizer. Both are from Dark and Lovely. The Correct Leave-In Conditioner helps to moisturize and also helps to reduce breakage, softness, and shine. No, it helps to reduce breakage and also helps it to soft and shine. So that is that. And for this, I think it's the same thing. It gives it strength. So Basically, this is what I'm going to be using for my hair. This is a new product, so I'm just trying this out for the very first time today in this video. Boo! So this is new, so I'm going to go in with, I think I should go in with my leave-in first, I think. So, this is so hard. Hey, Jesus. Do you see that? So, can you see? It spills when I was trying to like pour it over. So, I think I love the smell. It smells so nice. I love the smell it's nice. It smells. So I think I like this Dark and Lovely product. I like the way it feels and also the smell for now. I actually buy things based on their smell because I'm actually allergic to some smells. I think my hair is now a bit longer than the last time I actually washed. This is where it's touching. So this is the result of the hair I washed last, guys. But currently my hair is very due. The last time I retouched this was April this year, so it's like I think it's due. I'm going to manage this hair like this for now, and I think I love it because it has volume. I like it when my hair is due because of the volume it used to give me. Today, that will be the end of today's video. Thank you so much for staying tuned. Thank you for your engagement so far. Guys, if you haven't subscribed, guys, please kindly subscribe to this little girl's YouTube channel. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to like my video, comment and share. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.